Okay, so SpeedKore loaned me these custom-made templates that they made. You can see here how they're designed to set up and just have the markings for the holes. I got a hole punch that I'm going to use. Little bit of a concern on one of them because this one right here is not exactly centered to the spoiler. They're handmade, so which is understandable, but the good thing is I can see it's just slightly off. Instead of the hole on the template lining up with the spoiler I have in the trunk, it's about a quarter of that hole is actually visible. So I just got to adjust when I make my hole that it fits the spoiler. So I'm measuring like 10 times before I actually pull the trigger, so wish me luck.